at least $205. How do you write at least $205, Joe? I agree with the equal to. So when it says at least, it wants that or more.
Oh, yeah. So wouldn't it be the thing at it?
Greater than or equal to, yes. Okay, and then he already has $30 and he earns $7 per hour at his job. Shia, how would I write that part?
You write 7x.
Okay, 7 times the number of hours he works, yep, and what else?
Plus 30.
Perfect. Thumbs up if you got that part.
7x instead of 30.
You could have 30 and then plus 7x, yep, that's the same thing. Perfect. Wyatt, what's the first thing I do to solve?
You make the
Good.
and subtract it.
And what'd you get when you subtracted?
I got 170.
Okay, and then what would you do, Lachlan? Good, and what would you get? Help him out.
It would be 25.
Tessa, yep, 25.
And you'd keep the sign
Perfect. Why'd you keep the sign, Tessa?
because of a negative.
You didn't divide or multiply by a negative, so you do keep the sign. Questions on that part? So how would you interpret this, Alex? What does X represent? Hours. So how many hours do we need to work? 25. And then hours more or less? Or more. Questions on that? Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9 are kind of like the ones that you guys saw in the back of your quiz that we struggled with. So I'm going to set up 6 and 7 with you, then you have to do 8 and 9 by yourself. Okay? So how do you write, so we have 3 times a number. Do you know what that number is?
No.
So we'll call it
X.
X. So how do I write 3 times that?
3x.
Good. Increased, what does that mean? Add, subtract, multiply, divide. Add. 4 is less than, so what sign are we going to use?
So you would do
Good. Less than negative 62. Questions on
My
that?
question is, how is a negative 62 less bigger than?
Because it's going to be a negative number probably. Number 7, quotient. What does quotient mean?
End of a division.
Answer to division. So the quotient of a number, do you know the number?
No.
So let's write X. And I'm going to write division like a fraction because that's the way we've been seeing it. So X divided by what number? Negative 5. Increase means to add 1. Is at most. What sign would that be? Less than or equal to, because we want it smaller than that. 7. So if you saw the word difference, what operation does difference mean? Subtract. What operation does sum mean? Addition. What does product mean?
Multiplication.
And what does quotient mean? Division. Good. Try 8 and 9. Stand when you're done. 8. The quotient of a number in minus 2 is at least negative 12.
I got x over 12 minus 2 is greater than
It says a number and 3. So x over 3. Yes. Minus 2, is that what you said? And then at least is what number?
at least simply is greater than or equal.
Good. Negative 12. There you go. Good. Wyatt, what'd you get for 9?
Wait, we don't.
Oh,
You don't have to solve it now. Sorry.
Oh, you don't?
I got the 2
Negative 2?
and then got the x or the variable or whatever.
Okay.
Minus 6,
Okay.
then greater than.
Okay.
Negative 8.
Perfect. You did not have to solve it. You did. Okay. All right. Good job.